pleasure to introduce you to our special guest for today, the founder of Career Speak, Supriya Agarwal, and Sonali Ma'am, Assistant Manager from Awok India, who is bringing a wealth of knowledge and experience to us in the field of finance. And taking out her time for the workshop organized by Awok India Foundation, the Financial Awareness Program. Oh, I would like to invite Umang ma'am to greet Ma'am Supriya with a token of gratitude. I would like to invite Pooja ma'am to greet Sonali ma'am with a token of gratitude. Awok India Group was established in the year 2012. It has been relentlessly working towards reaching out to all the segments of the society in its pursuit to train and skill them, especially in the core area of financial acumen. The name Awok is an acronym for a Wisdom One Knowledge Enterprise. Being a training, consulting, and social enterprise, Awok India work to strengthen individual skill and enable enterprise to scale greater heights.
Supriya Agarwal is the founder of Career Speak, her proprietary venture backed by a YouTube channel with the same name, Career Speak. She is a financial literacy expert for BSE, NSE, ICICI, ICAI, and also a trainer for BFSI and Awok India. She has been facilitated by organizing committees for her tremendous efforts in the field of financial literacy. Furthermore, she is a full-time career coach and counselor at Career Speak, where she guides students from class 9th onwards to post-graduation. Having previously worked in the insurance industry, she brings with her 16 years of overall experience in both industry and academia. She has also served as a teacher for management students pursuing the MBA PGDM degrees. Additionally, she is a doctoral research candidate currently pursuing her PhD on a topic related to goods and services tax in India. Ma'am, we are truly honored to have you among us. I would also like to request Supriya ma'am to kindly come on the stage and address the students.
Thank you so much. Your name? Didn't get you. Ragat. Thanks, Ragat. Thanks to IT College, thanks Rinku sir, thanks ma'am, thanks to Principal ma'am, and special thanks to my co-guide who belongs to IT College, Dr. Anupama Srivastava. It's a pleasure here to be again amongst the students. Last year the batch was same or it has changed, sir? It's changed, all right. So today we are going to understand the basic aspects of investing and we'll focus upon mutual funds in particular. So is it in the curriculum or you make investments? There are two aspects. You're studying about it but not practically doing it, or you're practically doing it and it's also a part of your curriculum. Both? Is it a part of your curriculum? No. So how do you know about it? Somebody please share. I would like to hear from you, more of you rather. How do you know about mutual funds? Yes, please. TV advertisements. And have you made any investments so far? How many of you have investments? Anybody having investments? So great, you've heard about it. So what is it about? Any idea by anybody from this side? Anybody? Volunteer karo? Many of you raised hands. होता क्या है म्यूचुअल फंड्स? डोंट फील शाई टू आंसर रॉन्ग. Why we need investments? Answer. Otherwise ये तो तुम लोग बता दोगे कॉमर्स से. हाँ.
For the safety of our money or funds or for future use.
Okay, for the safety of our money for future use. Great. What's your name?
Saleha.
Saleha. So suppose we leave our money into the bank accounts as it is, or we leave our money into our wallets for years, or we leave the money into our cupboards for years. Is it of any use or any good to us? Louder.
No, ma'am.
Why? Because it is not growing. Why do we need to grow money? Why we need to grow money? Pardon?
For future needs.
For future needs. But why we need to grow it? It can grow at par also. Today's 100 rupees, after 10 years 100 rupees. Why is it a problem? Inflation. Because what's your name? Shweta. Because the money today 100 rupees will not be able to fetch the same commodities after 10 years. Do you remember the stories? Have your grandparents told you about Anna, Rupya, all these kind of things that they used to buy in 1 rupee the whole grocery? Can we buy today? Even the beggar won't take it. Though it has a value because RBI is still using it, but then we can't purchase the things of our use. That's how the value of money has depleted over years. So 100 rupees after 10 years might not be having value. That is why you need to invest and grow your money as their value is depreciating. Alright? So that's the main purpose why we need to invest. So any idea what is the rate of inflation right now? What is the rate of inflation? Somewhere around 7%, 8%, 8.5%. Last year it went to 9%. Every 3 months it is declared and it keeps on changing. So RBI has also increased the repo rates. How many of you are aware of that? Since last October it is continuously increasing repo rates. How many of you are aware of that? What are repo rates? They are the rates if RBI की मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी टूल्स होते हैं ये, तो इनको जब हम इंक्रीज करते हैं तो क्या होता है? इंटरेस्ट रेट्स भी इंक्रीज होते हैं. यू ऑल्सो मोर राइट. सो हमारे बैंक आफ्टर डिमोनेटाइजेशन हमारे जो बैंक अकाउंट्स थे उसमें 3.5%, 2.5% ऐसे रिटर्न मिल रहा था. नाउ अगेन बैक वी आर गेटिंग 4% ऑन सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट. आर यू नोइंग अबाउट इट? सेविंग बैंक सबके पास होगा. You must be getting money from your parents in your saving bank account. Yes or no? So, if you leave the money at 4% and inflation is at 8%, is it of any use? Again, 4% से आपका पैसा कम हो रहा है. अगर आपने सिर्फ सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट में अपने पैसे को छोड़ दिया तो कितने परसेंट से डिप्लीट होता रहेगा हर ईयर? If inflation is 8%, 4%. So again you need to bridge the gap of that 4%. You want something which gives you a return at least 8%, 7%, 8% or more than that. Larger amount the better. But then in the fixed or guaranteed products, we do not have a very high rate of return. But with power of compounding, we do get returns with a longer period of time. On the other side, we have got stock market investments and we've got mutual fund investments. So how many of you are also aware of stock market investments? Great. So do you invest also in stock markets? Okay, you can try. But in stock markets, there is one thing that you need a corpus. If lost, doesn't affect you, right? Plus a little larger amount of money so that you can buy a couple of shares. Say for example, Tata's, Reliance. You need a heavier amount to buy these shares, isn't it? Can you use 500 rupees and buy all the shares? You can't do that. Hardly 1 or 2 shares of any good company is going to come. But on the other side, you have mutual funds, which gives you the benefit of investing into thousands of securities with just 500 rupees or 100 rupees or 1000 rupees. Did you know that? ये पता था आप लोगों को? म्यूचुअल फंड्स कैसे वर्क करता है? Now what
how it works. If individually you are going to invest into stock markets, then you have to take all the decisions by yourself. Who is the fund manager of your money? You yourself. नॉलेज कहाँ से आएगी उस पैसे को इन्वेस्ट करने की? पापा दे देंगे, अंकल दे देंगे, कोई फ्रेंड बता देगा, टीचर्स बता देंगे, और योर ओन रिसर्च. You need to, but the call is yours whether you want to invest or not, where you want to invest, and then 500 won't give you anything. Hardly one share. You find out one of the shares, Page Industries, very popular, is of 37,000 rupees. We do have shares of 100 rupees also, but then you need a good value share also, which can give you return in the coming times ahead. So how mutual fund works? Over here, if given stock market, you all are doing it individually. Your own money, your own decision, your own risk. Now, if I ask the whole class to give me 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees, how much will I have? Assume 1,000 people are there in the class, and you all give me 1,000 rupees. How much will it be? Or 100 people giving me 1,000 rupees. How much will it be? 100 into 1,000?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So imagine the population of the country, crores. If not 140 crores, then 1 crore people might invest in a particular mutual fund. So if every individual is investing 500 rupees in a particular fund, तो कितना corpus collect हो जाएगा? 500 crores. Yes or no? Yes. And this is a very less amount which I am telling you. It goes up to 40,000 crores, 1 lakh crore, like that the funds collect. So isn't it easy for mutual funds to have that corpus and invest further for you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me tell you now how it works. It is a pool of funds, mutual funds, first of all. It gives you the benefit of markets, stock markets. Plus, you don't need to give your time, you do not need to have any worries about it. Though it is subject to market risk, guaranteed return nahi hai yahan par bhi. But then, there is a fund manager who is recruited by a mutual fund company. और ये तो मेरे पास उस समय अगर ऐसे सेशंस होते तो शायद मैं जरूर करती. I never made, I was like you, I never made that investment. And now I regret. Because the early age you make investments in mutual funds, the higher returns you're going to reap. And it's good to depend upon parents, but nothing like making your own investments and giving back to your parents. Isn't it? Since we are privileged enough to get that money, to have a backing of our parents, we don't think like that. But then think about, a few days back, I met the people, the female workers of Britannia who had only a salary of say around 10 or 11,000 rupees, some might be having even less. Those ladies were so empowered and were so looking forward for investments because for them, growing money means a lot. Maybe not for you and me right now, you're not realizing that way. But then growing money meant a lot for them because they wanted to do for every job, whether they want to give a birth to a child, they need to save themselves. Isn't it? We have our parents and family to protect us. But then understand the empowered feeling of making investments. You will feel very, very good once you have a lump sum amount in your hand. So understood how it functions in general? Any questions? Please go ahead. Now this is the structure of a mutual fund organization. How a mutual fund company is formed. Suppose you want to take up a career into it. Securities Exchange Board of India. What does Securities Exchange Board of India do? They are the regulators of securities market in India. Regulator means a person who guards and polices everything in the securities market. So securities market means the stock markets and the mutual fund market. So sponsors for always sponsors, like for example SBI Mutual Fund. So State Bank of India is the sponsor. Any person who is into the financial business of more than 5 years and is having a net worth of more than 50 lakh rupees in the past 5 years can become a sponsor. Alright, so sponsors are usually the big banks or big NBFCs who have large corpus of funds to invest in. Then they execute a trust between them and the trustees. Now they are the people who hire the trustees. Sponsor का काम होता है SEBI से approval लेना, पैसे देना, guarantee देना. Okay? So initiate to form the mutual fund company. Now they recruit the trustees. Trustees are the people who establish the mutual fund company. SBI mutual fund का board देखा है, offices देखे हैं, ICICI mutual fund prudential देखा है सबने. तो उसको सेटअप किसने किया है? उसका अप्रूवल किसने लिया? SBI म्यूचुअल फंड का अप्रूवल India, the bank, from the SEBI. Then they hired a trust. What is asset management company? SBI Mutual Fund. State Bank formed SBI Mutual Fund. अब जहाँ से भी आप mutual fund खरीदोगे, that is AMC. So for example, SBI Mutual Fund distributors होते हैं. Have you heard about brokers, distributors, sales people? They collect the money. They come to you. Phone भी बहुत बार आपके पास आता होगा. We have a loan opportunity, insurance, mutual funds. आता है phone? So these people collect the money and then it is submitted to a particular fund in the AMC. और उस AMC का फंड मैनेजर फर्दर सिक्योरिटीज और स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करता है, कोशिश करता है कि रिटर्न आए, नहीं लाएगा तो उसकी नौकरी पे बात आएगी, तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर अपॉन हिम. बट देन अगर कोविड जैसी सिचुएशन आ जाती है या यूक्रेन और रशिया जैसी वॉर की सिचुएशन आती है तो टेम्परेरी लॉसेस भी हो सकते हैं. बट लॉसेस तब तक काउंट नहीं होते जब तक आप अपनी यूनिट्स को सेल ना करें. ऑल राइट, सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कम टू नो व्हाट आर यूनिट्स. यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको? नाउ आई सेड लॉस तब तक नहीं होता या प्रॉफिट तब तक नहीं होता जब तक आप सेल ना करो यूनिट्स को. सो व्हाट आर यूनिट्स इन म्यूचुअल फंड्स? अगर आपको शेयर मार्केट से शेयर्स खरीदने हैं तो यू कैन से 1 शेयर ऑफ रिलायंस, 20 शेयर्स ऑफ टाटा, यस और नो. बट अब म्यूचुअल फंड्स में हम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कहाँ कर रहे हैं? Where all are we making investments? In stocks, in property, in gold, in securities. So can we divide them in numbers? Very difficult. Somebody is investing with 500 rupees, somebody 10 lakh rupees, so on and so forth. तो क्या हम उसे नंबर्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? म्यूचुअल फंड के आपको क्या मिलेगा? नंबर्स तो मिल नहीं सकते कि इतनी प्रॉपर्टी, इतना गोल्ड हम नहीं कर सकते 500 रुपए के हिसाब से. यस और नो? कैन आई हियर यू पीपल? सो म्यूचुअल फंड सेल होते हैं यूनिट वाइज. आपको यूनिट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए जाते हैं. अब जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था हमने पूरा कॉर्पस 1 लाख रुपए का इकट्ठा किया था. रिमेंबर इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल 1000 रुपीज आप सबने दिया. आप लोग 100 लोग हो तो 1 लाख रुपए कलेक्ट हो गए. तो 1 लाख रुपए मैंने अलग अलग जगह इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करे तो हमारा जो कॉर्पस बना वो 1 लाख रुपए बना, राइट? और अगर तुम 100 लोगों ने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करे तो एक म्यूचुअल फंड की कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी? एक यूनिट की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट टू यू फर्दर. आगे चलो. अब क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड. अभी इतना समझो दैट जो हम खरीदते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड हम वो यूनिट के फॉर्म में खरीदते हैं. किसी भी कंपनी की वेबसाइट पे चले जाओ और आपको पता करना है कि आज की डेट में एक यूनिट का क्या प्राइस है तो वो आपको उनकी वेबसाइट से पता चल जाएगा या सेबी से या एम्फी से किसी से भी पता चल जाएगा कि उनकी एनएवी कितनी है. एनएवी क्या होती है? इट इज प्राइस ऑफ 1 यूनिट ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड. गॉट इट? इफ यू वांट यू कैन राइट डाउन समवेयर इन केस यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग फर्दर. तो अगर खरीदना है तो आप जाते हो ड्रेसेस खरीदने, यू आर स्क्रोलिंग मिंत्रा, व्हाट डू यू सी फॉर बाइंग सूट्स एंड ड्रेसेस और जीन्स टॉप? The price, isn't it? So if you have to buy 1 unit of a mutual fund, you will find for a price. So that price is NAV. So NAV means the price of 1 unit. Be it 20 rupees, be it 10 rupees, be it 100, be it 1000, depends upon what is the price of that particular fund. Got it? So based upon classification of mutual funds, these are the basic categories. इसके under there are thousands of products which the companies are offering. और ये गाइडलाइंस सेबी बनाती है जिसको ट्रस्टीज इम्प्लाई करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड कंपनीज. एंड सून इट विल बी अ मैंडेट टू. देन विजिट अपना केवाईसी पूरा करवाना होता है. नाउ इन म्यूचुअल फंड्स यू हैव टू गेट योर केवाईसी एट अ सेंट्रल लेवल, दैट इज सेंट्रल केवाईसी सिस्टम. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक जगह आपने अपना केवाईसी कराया, फिर आपने दूसरी जगह कराया, फिर तीसरी जगह. देयर इज अ सेंट्रल इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन. हूसोएवर वांट्स टू take your information, whichever company, they are going to take it from the central KYC system. All right, then you have to fill the form, and for sure you have to fill the names of nominees. Now there can be a total of 3 people who can collectively take mutual funds. Like 3 of the family members, father, daughter, mother, they 3 are the investors of a mutual fund. In your name, maximum 3 people can purchase mutual fund, but the bank account is going to remain in the name of the first holder. Then you have the nomination in mutual funds. Again, you can nominate 3 people and at least nominate 1 person. And according to the ratio specified, In case of any happening to the main person, the amount is going to be distributed to the nominees. And to purchase mutual funds, can you use cash? Can you use cash to purchase mutual funds? No, you cannot. Any transaction into stock exchange, in any of the banking transactions, ये permitted नहीं है. कोई भी investment product खरीदना cash से permitted नहीं है. You either have to use a DD or online remittance or your phone pay payment, but so that you also have a proof, and then the black money is not being used. Okay. Now there are two modes of making investments. अब for example you get a gift from somebody of 1 lakh rupees. होता है? हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है? Some of you might get married and get some gift. अब तब तो लाख रुपए मिल ही जाएगा, isn't it? कोई ना कोई तो दे ही देगा, ज़्यादा लोग भी दे सकते हैं. So you can make an FD out of it. You can submit one-time lump sum and you can get it. But what I'm trying to explain you as students is that you invest into systematic investment plans. What are systematic investment plans? Every month or every quarter, you are systematically investing a certain amount of money. So that makes a good habit also, and plus it will give you the benefit of all the rates of the market which are existing. Right now the market can be at a lower level. 1 month later it can be more lower level. So more lower level, you are going to get more units. So for a particular period of time, for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you make consistent payment and then leave your funds. They will grow at a rapid pace as soon as you cross the 10th year. That is called power of compounding. All right? How many of you know about power of compounding? What is compounding? The basic maths formula. What is compounding? What is simple interest? ये सबको पता होगा. PRT upon 100. You only get the return upon your principal. But the compound interest also gives, compound returns also gives the return on the interest earned. So first year is your principal plus interest आता है 1 साल बाद. Then you keep on getting the return on your interest also and the consistent amount that you are investing. Got it? So my first 10 years में आपको जो growth दिखेगी बहुत slow दिखेगी. But rapidly another 7 years में और जल्दी डबल होगा. उसके आने वाले टाइम में और जल्दी होगा. तो मिनिमम 15 साल के लिए अगर अपने पैसे को छोड़ते हो तो मैजिकली ग्रो करता है. वो देखेगा आई विश आई ब्रॉट दैट स्लाइड. आई एम सॉरी आज नहीं लेके आई वो स्लाइड. अब देखती हूँ अगर लोकेट करें तो मैं आपको दिखा दूँ. Then you have got direct way of investing and indirect way. I mean regular way. Now regular way is finding a broker, finding a distributor and investing. Over there you have to pay the commission of mutual funds. Got it? If you use any person or take help of any person in business, you're going to pay that person, right? So those are regular mutual funds. Direct is going on the website of mutual fund, filling the form and getting done. बीच में कोई भी नहीं, तो वहाँ पर brokerage भी नहीं देनी और वो सस्ते भी पड़ते हैं. ठीक है? But then everybody is not tech savvy. Somebody wants someone in between to take the lead of solving the things if coming ahead, some problem coming ahead later. So many people psychologically go for a direct mutual fund, trusting their distributors to help them out at time of need. Otherwise, you have a regular option also who are well versed and don't need a distributor. Now there are 3 kinds of documentation in mutual funds. The first one is scheme information document, the other one is statement of additional information, and the third one is key information memorandum. सब में content same होता है, purpose अलग अलग होते हैं. The statement, scheme information document, we call it SID, that is placed to SEBI when we take the approval of mutual funds. जब पहली बार कोई फंड आता होगा तो we have to take approval of SEBI. Yes or no? So उस डॉक्यूमेंट को, जो डॉक्यूमेंट SEBI के अप्रूवल के लिए भेजा जाता है, उसको स्कीम इंफॉर्मेशन डॉक्यूमेंट बोलते हैं. फिर वेबसाइट पे जो डॉक्यूमेंट लोड किया जाता है इन्वेस्टर्स की नॉलेज के लिए, उसको स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन बोलते हैं. और जब आप फॉर्म भरेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स का, उसके साथ भी पूरी गाइडलाइंस दी होती हैं कि कितने, मतलब सारी डिटेल्स दी होती हैं कि ओपन एंडेड है कि नहीं है, या क्या प्राइस है, ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, तो दैट इज नोन एज की इंफॉर्मेशन मेमोरेंडम, जो आपके फॉर्म के साथ जाएगा। इंफॉर्मेशन लगभग सब में सेम है, बट द पर्पस इज डिफरेंट। फर्स्ट वन इज यूज्ड फॉर सेबी अप्रूवल, सेकेंड फॉर द वेबसाइट, और कोई भी चेंजेस अगर होते हैं किसी भी म्यूचुअल फंड में तो वो कहाँ अपडेट होगा, लॉजिक अप्लाई करो, कहाँ अपडेट होगा, ओनली एंड ओनली स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन, क्योंकि एक तो सभी के पास अप्रूवल के लिए चला गया, अब अप्रूवल मिल गया, उसमें क्या करेंगे हम चेंज। देन एक होता है जो फॉर्म्स के साथ प्रिंटेड आता है, उसमें भी चेंज नहीं हो सकता, तो ऑप्शन बचता है ऑनलाइन का। एंड व्हेनेवर एनी चेंज इज मेड, इट इज मेड थ्रू एडेंडम, उस डॉक्यूमेंट को बोला जाता है एडेंडम, एंड देन द चेंजेस आर मेड इनटू स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन। ये रिस्कोमीटर किसने देखा है, ये देखा है किसी ने, देखा है ना। दिस इज अ मैंडेट बाय सेबी दैट यू हैव टू ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट टू द इन्वेस्टर्स कि फंड किस कैटेगरी में आता है, रिस्क कैटेगरी में आता है या नॉन रिस्की कैटेगरी में आता है। अगर सारा पैसा, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द मनी फिक्स सिक्योरिटीज में लगाया जा रहा है तो वो लेस रिस्की हुआ, और अगर सारा पैसा 70%, 75%, 80% लगाया जा रहा है स्टॉक मार्केट्स में तो वो रिस्की कैटेगरी में हुआ। So that means red is very high and low is green. Okay. Nomination is one thing very important. So that is in case of death of a person it takes place. But then nobody has seen tomorrow, so we should always nominate the names of people whom we want to transfer our money in case the death of the main person. Now mutual fund investment by minor requires guardian. जैसे एक इंडिविजुअल हैंडल करेगा तो माइनर की डिटेल्स रहेंगी, फॉलोड बाय द गार्जियन, केवाईसी गार्जियंस का भी होगा, सारा एड्रेस प्रूफ और आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ गार्जियन का भी लगेगा। तो दे फंक्शन लाइक एन इंडिविजुअल, लेकिन पैसा माइनर के नाम पर होता है, और जिस दिन माइनर 18 साल का हो जाता है तो पॉलिसी रुक जाती है, दैट म्यूचुअल फंड इज स्टॉप फॉर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, और जब तक चेंजेस नहीं होते हैं, नया पैन नहीं आता है, तब तक वो फंक्शनल उसका म्यूचुअल फंड नहीं होगा। तो इट टेक्स सम टाइम पीरियड जब तक वो म्यूचुअल फंड फ्रीज कर दिया जाता है, एंड एज सून दोज डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर रिसीव, म्यूचुअल फंड माइनर टू मेजर में जो कन्वर्ट हुआ है बच्चा, उसके नाम पे चलने लगता है। Now, if any complaints are there related to securities market, one can complain to SEBI. But the first process is to complain with the people you're dealing with. It's like first going to your class teacher and the CRs rather than reaching the principal directly. So always have a written complaint. And in case your complaints are not being heard, you can always approach SEBI. And the portal is scores.gov.in. Now, as I was saying that there are guaranteed returns and non-guaranteed returns. So non-guaranteed का मतलब ये नहीं होता है that your money is entirely risk, but it is subject to market fluctuation like stock markets, gold prices, silver prices. And the guaranteed investments are fixed deposits, recurring deposits, post office schemes, employee provident funds, PPFs, so on. Please go. Now this is something specifically for you. How many of you know about Mahila Saman Savings Certificate? सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना, ये सब तो इतनी न्यूज़ में है अभी पिछले 6 महीने से। If you want, you can also invest in this. As of now, you are getting 7.5% interest. और अगर आपको इनके बारे में डिटेल में देखना है तो आप पोस्ट ऑफिस स्कीम्स को टाइप करिएगा गूगल पे, तो पोस्ट ऑफिस की, इंडियन पोस्ट की वेबसाइट खुल जाएगी। वहाँ पर आपको हर क्वार्टर ये रेट चेंज होते हैं, शायद स्लाइट चेंजेस भी हों अगर ये रेट्स मेरे, क्योंकि मैंने ये 2 महीने पहले बनाया था, आई एम नॉट नोइंग विच क्वार्टर आई वॉज इन, तो चेक कर लेना कि अभी क्या रेट्स हैं। और you can always invest into all these schemes. Especially you can go in for Mahila Saman Savings Certificate with a minimum investment of 1,000 rupees, and I'm sure your parents would be doing it for you. तो पूछिएगा उनसे. That's it. Now